Equipped with high-definition video capabilities, the Blink Video Doorbell captures crystal-clear footage of your doorstep. The sharp imagery ensures that you can easily identify visitors or potential security threats. The two-way audio feature enables seamless communication with visitors, couriers, or even unwanted guests. Whether you're at home or miles away, you can interact in real time using the Blink app. One of the standout features of the Blink Video Doorbell is its motion detection technology. The device sends instant alerts to your smartphone via the Blink app when motion is detected at your doorstep. This ensures that you're always aware of any activity, providing an extra layer of security to your home. The customizable Chime app alerts allow you to tailor notifications to your preferences, avoiding unnecessary interruptions while still staying informed about crucial events. Whether you prefer a wired or wire-free installation, the Blink Video Doorbell caters to your needs. The wired option ensures a continuous power supply, eliminating concerns about battery life, while the wire-free installation provides flexibility in positioning the doorbell without being constrained by electrical outlets. This adaptability makes the Blink Video Doorbell suitable for various home setups. The Blink Video Doorbell boasts a modern and unobtrusive design, available in a sleek black finish that seamlessly blends with various architectural styles. The device is offered in both wired and wire-free options, providing users with flexibility based on their installation preferences. The compact and weather-resistant design ensures durability, allowing the doorbell to withstand various weather conditions.